Right, so amazing sunny day and t-shirt weather, and finally getting a couple of tops using the old recycled sheet. I just went down into the wood. I've a lot of hazel. It's been growing there. I haven't really touched it, so I never really coppiced it. But you can see the branches go fairly straight when they're competing with other trees and plants. They're reaching directly straight up to get the sunlight, and they get this growth effect. So it's nice to have that. So cut a few branches anyway, and drove them down into the gravel and sand, and I used these corrugated roofing, these nuts with the rubber seal on them. They're brilliant. And just drove three stakes enough. They're driven down fairly deep now. These are actually sturdier than the ones up over the raised beds. So it's just to keep the rain off that centre in there where all the leaves accumulate. And just when I first had a look at it, you can actually, you can see where all the debris and stuff gets in there. They're all bits of leaves and whatever, what have you, over the summer, which is not going to bother it, I don't think, during the summertime. But during the winter they're going to rot, and then it's going to be, the rain is just poured down in bursts. It's actually, the rain is coming down in bursts, really heavy. And what's going to happen is all this material in here, that's going to start rotting. And then the wet, and then the cold. It can handle the cold if it's dry. But you want to clean them out, have a look at them, clean them out as much as you can. That's the first one done anyway. And I suppose as time goes by, you can just take these up, get new sticks, put them to the front, to the sides, all around, and you could box it off, leaving narrow gaps for airflow. Right, so I've only enough, as a 10-foot sheet, and I've only enough to cover the tops of 3 of them, and I've put the first 2 going across the way. Just see how they get on. This one, the bed was kind of more rectangular, so I'll just put it this way. We'll see if it makes any difference, if there's a difference between the 2. I brought this much lower down than this one. I can't really go any lower with that one. I could go lower on this one. I'll see how I get on first. Anyway,